back on my channel. Today you must be remembering what we did last time. We just ran the basic descriptive stats function on the SPSS and JASP. So today what I will be doing is going a step ahead, and I will be doing the cross-sectional study test, which is very commonly used by all of us. The test is obviously chi-square test, so I'll be running the chi-square test on the two variables on the data set which I have got with me. It's a large data set obviously. So as we saw the last time that a data set is not opened by the JASP if it is not in the appropriate format. So what I have done is basically I have transformed this .sav file in SAS file .dat file. So this is the file I am going to open using JASP. So it takes some time in the JASP software to open the SAS file, and the SAS file is quite a big one, 724 MB file, as you can see over here. See the size of this file, 705 MB, so it's a big file. Anyway, so this is the data file which I have got opened in front of me. Now if we move over to SPSS and we see the file, this is the file here. So suppose I want to check the chi-square association between two variables, and for the sake of ease, this variable is basically about the age of the individual. This is about the age category. If you can go and see in the variable view, you can see that MB12 is nothing but current age, and MB13 is age in 5 year. Various age groups are here. So what I am going to do on the SPSS is simply run and analyze, and go to descriptive studies, go to cross tab, and I'll be simply running the cross tabs for the current age and age in 5 year groups. I will be using some of the options available in the menu. So chi-square is obviously my test of choice, so chi-square I'm going to use. And other than that, I can opt for percentage, total column percentage, observed percentage, and I won't be choosing any other format. So let's quickly run this test on the SPSS and see how it goes. So you see it's fairly quick. We get the result over here, and this is a detailed result. You can see, if you look closely at the number of individuals which had the data over it is more than 1 lakh. Basically it's 1,1839. So it's a big data set, and we have got the cross tab chi-square test done quickly, and we can see that it's a highly statistically significant association which we are getting over here. So suppose we want to do this again on the JASP, so what will happen? Now you will have to be very careful with JASP. It is not something which is completely GUI. You will have to memorize what were the variables. So this is one problem in JASP. So if we see the MB12 and MB13 were the variables which we tried to analyze for the cross tab. Now if we go and try to run the chi-square test, what are the options with us on the JASP? As you can see, here is the frequencies, and if you go for the classical contingency table, this will give you the chi-square in the classical, that is the normal distribution curve stats. If you want to go for Bayesian stats, that is non-normal distribution, then you can go over here, but we will go to the simple normal distribution stats. And if you go and click on the contingency tables, you will get such type of screen. Now problem over in JASP is that rows If you want to take any variable in the rows section, only those variables will go which are either categorical or ordinal. Again, if you want to take any of the variable in column, only those variable will go which are either uh, categorical or ordinal. You can see these shapes, it is depicted here. If you go for count, yes, it will come over here either categorical or continuous. Now just quickly running the example, if you remember we were doing M12 and M13. So if we click on M12 and if we want it to go to rows or column, you will see it won't go there, it won't go there. But if you want to take it to counts, it will go here. If you want to take MB13, which was the categorical distribution, age distribution, you take it and keep it there, it won't go there, won't go there. So what's the solution? The solution is go back and change this in either ordinal or nominal. Now I understand you might be asking questions why we is it the right thing which we are doing, but this is how we are going to get any result in the contingency table section. So now if you go and click this thing, rows, and then column, we get the results pretty quickly. If you want more stats, here it is, you can add anything. And if you want more options for the cells, suppose you want the column percentage, here it is. And if you want anything more, these are the options with you. So you can see you are getting the same result as you got in the SPSS. And so this is it for SPSS and JASP for the same set. You will see that SPSS is quite easy in this regard, but if you want to do the same test on the same data set in JASP, you will have to do something more. So that's it for today, guys.